Think you're tough, do you? Filthy slanderer! Come on, put 'em up! Come on, put 'em up! Tops come off. Right! Come on, fight the lunatic!
Right, you, enough.
Get off me!
Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Slanderer!
Right then, Flavour Chasers, welcome back. First thing we're going to do, red up pan, because we didn't want to see no blood.
So much blood!
Nice up pan, skin side down, sunflower oil, some flake salt on there just to season it up a little piece. We're making restaurant styly. Just flip it, seal it, oven bake it for 25 minutes. That's going to give us time now to make our potato fondant. Now, food lovers hate waste. I know this. Oh, don't forget, like and subscribe, hit the bell, get notifications.
Just do it!
You heard Shia LaBeouf. Now we're just going to make three little nice cubes. I'm dining alone tonight, meat eater. I'm dining alone, making myself a nice Friday night dinner. Boy!
I used to play the piano.
Lovely stuff. Now what we're going to do, got a nice little 3 cubes, get yourself a pan, some butter, bit of oil, stop it burning, like half and half maybe, high heat, melt it down. Yeah boy, simmer that, bang your potatoes in there, then turn it down. No messing, bloody. Whoa, glitch in the matrix. Never mind. So you just want to baste them. Don't know what happened there. Baste them with your butter and your oil. And then boom, put them on a back burner. Let them sizzle away. We're going to make the wilted spinach puree. Yes, splash of oil, bare spinach. Fill the ting. It's going to reduce by at least half. It goes to nothing. See the spinach now? It goes to nothing. Which for the B vitamins and iron. Little protein too, I believe. Good for you. Follow on Instagram. Now our spinach is wilting. Our potatoes are starting to look golden. Just keep basting. Pinch of salt in there. Cook it till they look like that. Until they look like that. See them there? Soft and fluffy inside. And there's something there good and nice. Fondant. Now, we're just going to blitz these. If you don't like spinach,
You need to get that head of yours out your backside and get real.
yeah, Martin knows. We're just going to blitz these down. Just get them nice and liquefied, as runny as you can. Then we're going to sieve it. We're going to make a sick puree. I'm telling you, blood. It's fire. Nice little meal, man. Trust me. Yeah, sieve, spinach, puree. And then just bang them in there. Lovely jubbly. No messing. No messing about on this channel. Like and subscribe. Don't forget. Don't forget. Don't just watch passively. You.
Hey, give me my meat.
Yeah, the meat's coming. So once yeah, see it there? Lovely puree. Yeah, baby. Now, garnish. We're going to have some tender stem broccoli. We're going to chop it down. We're going to grill it. No, we're going to pan sear it. And some lovely shallots, pan roasted shallots, and just sugary, vegetably and lovely. Chop them down. Yeah, man. Remove the what's it called? The root on the end, and then we just peel them off, and then we're just gonna get them nice and charred in a pan. You don't have to cook them through so they're sloppy. You want to keep that sweetness and that crunch to everything. Yeah, man, wipe that round. You don't want it swimming in fat. Now just press them down. Use a spatula if you can't hack the heat. Like, man, if you're not a bad boy like me, you're going to have to just use a spatula or a spoon. But if you're a bad boy or a road girl, you can just do this something with the hands and the fork. Flipper, flipper. Yeah, man, all of this is coming together nicely. We're going to plate it. The chicken's done. Boom. Bang there. Bang there. Lucky meat. That's all we need.
This is my lucky meat.
Smashing it. Then your petals of roast shallots. That's lovely jubbly. Baby. Oh, he's just little. Oh, yeah, chicken jus. I didn't show you how to make the jus. Comment below if you want to know how, and I shall show you. I'm keeping it a guarded secret because that sauce bangs. I'm not giving you too much. You could give me something. Subscribe. Or just don't. Just share it. It's up to you, innit? Where's Jim at? Jim?
I think I might need a little bit more.
Watch the videos, subscribe, click that search on Facebook. You can click all them things there, you absolute flavour chasing legend. Bye.